Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this super cute tiny scrapbook with very easy and step-by-step procedure, and these flowers are also handmade. So you can just open this scrapbook like this by opening the ribbon, and inside this you will get 4 flaps or 4 pages, and inside each page I have created this pocket on right side and on the top. So I have added some tags in these pockets on which you can add any sentiments or messages. So without any delay, let's get started. For this we need scissor, some inks, sponge dauber, tissue paper, little water, white color sheet to create flowers, pencil, ball tool, groove golf tool, liquid glue, any ribbon, craft sheet and pattern paper. First I am taking this craft sheet which is having 140 GSM thickness, and this measures 21 by 8.5 centimeters, and from left side I have creased on 8 centimeters, 8.5 and 16.5 centimeters. Now I am folding all the creases. Like this. Now on this small folded part I have already created one semicircle, so I'm just cutting it using my scissor. It will work like a pocket. So for the easy access of any tags inside the pocket, I have cut this semicircle. Now just add little glue on this small flap and connect it like this. So the small pocket is ready. Now I will decorate it using some pattern papers from inside. Like this. In the same way I have created 3 more flaps with the same procedure. So in total we will be needed 4 flaps, and this is the topmost flap, so I have added pattern paper. In the same way I am adding pattern paper on the last flap. Like this. Now I will join all 4 flaps. So I have added this double-sided tacky tape on 3 sides of this portion so that it will also work like a pocket. If you don't have double-sided tape, you can use any glue. Now I will add my second flap with this, just aligning from corner to corner and securing it. In the same way I will add rest of the flaps. The cute book is ready. Now to create cover, I am taking this 19.5 by 9 centimeter craft sheet, and from left side I have creased on 8.5 and 10.7 centimeters. So after folding the crease, it will look like this. Now I am decorating this cover also using some pattern papers. I'm just removing this center strip because I need to add this on back side of the cover, because in the inside part I will add my book, so we don't need to add pattern paper there. So this is done. Now take back your book and on this hinged part add little glue. And just connect in the center of this cover page. Hold it for some time and allow it to dry. So the scrapbook is ready, it's completely dried. Now to create the closure of the scrapbook, I am taking this piece of ribbon and I will just stick it using my glue like this. Now I am taking this circle craft paper piece and this with love sentiment. So I am adhering this in the center of my scrapbook. Like this. Now I'm starting with the flowers, so I'm taking these two squares. First square measures 2 by 2 and this square measures 1.5 by 1.5 centimeters. Now I'm just shaping it to create 4 petal flower, just cutting from all 4 sides towards the center and then shape each petal like this. So this is done. In the same way I will cut other small flower. Now I'm taking one plastic bag and purple color ink. Here I am using Tubby Craft dye ink pad. This is lilac purple shade. You can use any kind of ink like distress ink or Gaival ink. Any ink which you have will work on these flowers. So I am coloring from top to center from both the sides on each flower. Now take water and dip both the flowers into this for few seconds. Now tapping the excess water using my tissue paper. Keep it aside for some time. In the meanwhile, I am showing you how to create leaf. So just cut one white color paper. To create flowers and leaves, I am using 120 GSM white color sheet. Now I am taking this leaf green archival ink and coloring this petal from both the sides. If you don't have inks, you can also use soft pastels. Now dipping the leaf into water, again tapping the excess water. Now taking my embossing pad and using this medium size groove golf tool, I am shaping my flowers and leaves. Now just rotate the flower and pinch in the center using ball tool. Add little glue in the center of flower and using small yellow color microbead pearls, I will create the center. It looks so pretty and so cute, isn't it? So flowers and leaf is ready. Take back your scrapbook. Now I will insert these long tags on the top part of pocket. So I have created total 3 tags for 3 pockets. And now I am inserting these small 4 tags in these small 4 pockets. I have created lots of small purple and lots of small leaves. So I am just adhering this on the top and the bottom corner of my front page. Like this. So the beautiful and super cute tiny mini scrapbook is ready. I'm sure you will try this very soon. You can just open it like this and you can adhere photographs, you can write messages, sentiments, letters, anything which you want. And this is a very super quick idea to gift someone special. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.